International Relations, Executive Vice President and concurrent OIC, Dean of the College of Nursing, and currently sits as Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. Today, she is working on her dissertation for her second doctorate degree in Doctor of Public Administration. She graduated valedictorian in her elementary grades, salutatorian in high school, and graduated with highest honors for the graduate nurse program from the former Zamboanga General Hospital School of Nursing, Zamboanga City. She was awarded as the most outstanding alumna for education by the Pilar College Alumni Association, the most outstanding alumna for education by the Western Mindanao College of Nursing, Alumni Association, and outstanding alumna for education by the Zamboanga General Hospital School of Nursing. She is the Philippine Nurses Association 2007 Anastasia Giron Lubas Award, the highest and the most prestigious award given by the Philippine Nurses Association to a professional nurse nationwide, in recognition of her excellent performance and contribution to the nursing profession. She too is the 2008 Soroctines International District of Western Mindanao awardee of the prestigious Making a Difference for Women award as a role model of life, having enriched her peer sisters in gender in the practice of her profession and bounded commitments as a woman of substance and as a woman for others. She has been invited to local, national, and international trainings, conferences, conventions, and seminar workshops as a participant and as a speaker. Since she has visited the USA, People's Republic of China, Taiwan, Brunei, Indonesia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Australia, and selected countries in Europe. Her passion is giving live lectures in areas of interest and special trainings, which covers topics on women and women issues and concerns, research and development, human behavior, ethics, human resource development, reproductive health, gender and sexuality, nursing management, social health science, education and education-related courses, administrative and technical writing, communication, training, and public speaking. Outside of her Windsor community, she actively participates in the activities of civic, social, and religious organizations. She is the first lady president of the Rotary Club of Metro Zamboanga, a one-time columnist of Zamboanga Today, which is a Zamboanga daily newspaper, and one-time producer host of a local TV show of IDC 11. My fellow Seagulls, it is a great pleasure that I now present to you Dr. Milabel Enriquez Pope.
Please sit down. I am surprised why you have introduced me in ways I did not expect. Because all I want is for you to give me the award as the Mother of the Year. For giving birth to more than you were 80 plus something. 100? Well, anyway, statistics differ in different countries. Some people say 123, 127. So I would say over 100. The Mother Award of more than 100 Seagulls age 6 children, which I wore in 1986, who are now well placed all over the world. I think I will have a better space. Wow! Please prepare for better background. You can see. Okay. Okay. It was always my dream to be in swim soup, and it has never been fulfilled. So at least tonight, partially, after 25 years with you, and after blah blah years in my life, I made the center stage. With no offense to my CI, noon, ako na yung calling ko, kami dalawang kay gabi ay marap-lara. Kasi ako yung good like bad-bad. Pero pag magsalita na naman siya dito, ako na naman yung bad-bad na naman. Ganyan lang talaga, sabi nito sa skala, whether na, no? Now, you must know that I am really speechless tonight. First, all of us have changed in substance and in form. Well, Arlene said that she used to be blah inches with her waistline and blah inches today. Anyway, you have not lost your asin. Why? Because till tonight, you still have the good cleavage.